How to turn off Facebook video autoplay. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today with that any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, simply click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down and search for media. Click on media in here. After you've clicked on media, search for autoplay in feed and stories and make sure the tick mark is in never. After your tick mark is in never, you're good to go. This is how to turn off video autoplay on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.